Today we're going to look at the transforming the Kakura brass knuckles by EDC weapons into something I can more easily carry in the open. So brass knuckles are illegal or unlawful in many states. So I chose this one because it's not your traditional shape brass knuckles. But let's see if you can take it one step further and make it look like a tool, or make it a tool that is more useful to carry around. So with this shape, I'm thinking GoPro handle, GoPro mount, action cam. So let's see how it turns out. Some of the tools needed for this project. Well, here it is with the GoPro attached. And the good thing about this is I could easily just walk around with it, videotape my kids, be ready to go whenever. Also, if I have a pack on and I don't feel like carrying it, I could strap it, ready to go whenever I need it. Alright, there it is.